So, ever need a little mom break? We are going to make margaritas in the blender real quick, but I wanted to show you a few items first. So I'm going to use serrated knife that comes in our Pampered Chef knife block. Love, love, love this knife. This is our flexible cutting mat. Works great if you need to funnel down into a bowl. Also does not slip on your surface, so we like the flexible cutting mat. Okay, so I'm going to cut some of these limes. And this is our new citrus juicer that just came out in the March the new spring products. And it does have measuring lines. So we need we need 3/4 cup of juice. So that's what we're gonna do in this. So I'm just gonna show you real quick. We're just gonna start squeezing it down and getting the juice out. And actually, Sam, would you juice while I put the rest of the stuff in the blender? Mm-hmm. Okay, let's not put that too close to Addie.
I was moving it away from her.
Oh, yeah. Let's not have the knife by the baby. We have my niece Addie here. Addie, how old are you? You gonna talk today?
Nope.
Nope. She's 2. Which is why
she's mesmerized.
Mom and I need a little.
No, I'm 4.
You're 4?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay, so the other thing we're gonna need is we're using some agave, some tequila, and some triple sec. And actually, do you have your phone to tell me how much
Mama, I'm 4.
I need to do of each?
You're 2.
How-
We need 1 cup of tequila.
All right, we're doing the mini measure all is a 1 cup, so I don't even really have to look at it. I just know if I pour it up, it's 1 cup, which makes that really nice and easy. All right, so we're doing what it's gonna be for all of us. It's 6 cups of ice, so we're making a big batch. All right, 1 cup of tequila.
And half a cup of triple sec.
Half a cup of triple sec.
sec.
I see your fingers, you're 4.
They're cold.
See that? 2 years old and 4 years old. That's why we're making the blender.
They're cold. And you hear me?
All right, so I'm looking at the lines on the edge. I'm gonna do a half a cup in this guy of our triple sec, pouring that in, and then how much of the agave? I think it's 1/4.
Yep, 1/4 cup.
And this is where I always forget to put something underneath so I don't spill. All right, so the other thing that I love about this is when you need to switch over to something that's gooey, like molasses, peanut butter, mayonnaise, you just do it this way, and it goes in right here. We've got measurements on the side. So I'm putting this to 1/4 cup, and I'm gonna pour my agave in. And I actually probably should have grabbed a little scraper. Okay, so I've got my agave, and I'm just gonna boop, pop it in there, and now my agave's in there, and I don't have a mess everywhere. Love, love, love. Mini measure all. It's like $6. Super easy. How are we doing on the juice? Have you looked at? We need
Not at all.
3/4. You're gonna help?
later.
I'm trying to look at the line. We might be good.
You can help me a little bit, okay?
Oh wait, it's on the side.
How nice.
Okay, a little bit more. You're doing really good, thank you. So I really like the citrus press, by the way, but when we're trying to get this much lime juice, we're just gonna go ahead and use the new zester. Actually, Sam, let's get the rest of the juice out of this. Will you go grab the citrus press real quick? It's in the gadget drawer. Yes, we have a gadget drawer.
What's inside?
What's inside? That's lime juice. So we've got all of our pulp right here and our lovely juice right here. So I'm just gonna see if we missed anything. When you use the citrus press, the juice part, the open part goes down and it just turns inside out. See, look at all that beautifulness. Girls, is this a lime?
Yes.
Is Auntie using a lime? Actually, we got most out of that one. I think we're almost there. 3/4 cup.
All right, just about.
I probably should have bought more limes, and then I wouldn't even worry about this. I bought 4.
That's okay.
4 is good. Okay, good?
Good.
All right, so we're gonna pour our lime juice, and last we're gonna put 6 cups of ice. Right? Is that what's all left on your phone?
6 cups of ice?
6 cups of ice.
Wow.
Yes, 6 cups of ice.
Oh, that was fun.
And then the bag busted.
The bag was open. Okay, so fun fact, this is 7 cups. hot, 6 cups cold. No, I'm doing it backwards. 6 cups is right about there. So I'm just gonna pour my ice right into the blender. And that's about too much. Right? It's always super fun when we're trying new things. Okay, but actually I like a lot of ice. One other thing, Samantha, it has me do it on a custom blend.
What's that?
So I'm gonna, not custom heat.
Is it out?
It heats too?
Oh, stop. Okay, custom blend. What's the, no, on your phone. Tell me what number.
I know we have to tell it.
I think it's a number 9. So I'm putting it on a custom blend down in the instructions. I think it's a 9.
Blending on custom blend setting, increasing to
Okay.
speed 9 for 20
Okay, and then it actually counts up so I know how long I'm blending it. So this has only been 10 seconds. We're halfway there. Dance party. No, she doesn't want to dance with me. 15, 17, 18, 19, and 20. And that's it. Now we have our blended margarita
Right.
because after this video, we needed it.
We need it.
So one more use for our lovely cooking blender. And that's it. Wanted to show you how easy it is to make with just a few items that I picked up today. All right, guys.
Is it ready?